Leo, what are you doing? You look silly.
The QR code menu. My phone is freezing. Freezing.
Freezing? You mean it stopped working?
Yes, it stopped. Now the screen is totally black. Oh no! Dead.
Dead? Try the power button. Hold it.
1, 2, 3. Nothing. No logo, no sound. It's completely dead.
Well, that's okay. We can just look at the big menu on the wall.
The wall menu? But I can't check the reviews. What is the best coffee here?
You don't need internet reviews, Leo. Just ask the barista.
Talk to a stranger without knowing what I want? I feel naked.
You are not naked. You have clothes on. Just relax.
Easy for you to say. My life is in this little box.
Okay. Let's get your coffee first. I'll order. 2 cappuccinos, please. See? Easy.
Okay, we need to find a phone repair shop. Now.
I know a good shop. It's on Silver Street.
Silver Street? Where is that? Let me check Google Map. Oh, wait. I can't.
Exactly. No GPS today.
So, how do we get there? Are we lost?
Lost? No. We are just exploring. Exploring means looking around a new place.
I don't want to explore. I want to fix my phone.
Look over there. A tourist map. On that board.
A paper map? Behind a glass?
Yes. Come on. Let's use our eyes. We are here. Red circle.
Okay, and Silver Street is there, top right.
Right. So we go straight, walk past the bank, and turn left.
Go straight past the bank, turn left. Wow, I have to use my brain.
Yes, your brain is your GPS. Come on, let's walk. Oh, wait. Stop. Look at this shop.
Joe's Vintage Goods. Vintage? You mean old things?
Yes, old and special things. Let's go in.
But my phone...
The repair shop won't run away. 5 minutes. Wow.
It smells different in here, like old paper and wood.
Touch this leather bag. It's so smooth.
Soft and heavy.
Now look at this camera, an old film camera.
It's so heavy. Not like a smartphone. How do you take a photo?
You press the silver button. Click, and you wait. You can't see the photo right away.
You can't? That is crazy. How do you know if you look good?
You don't. That's the surprise. A surprise is something you don't expect.
Surprise. I usually hate surprises. This camera is cool. It feels real.
Real. Yes, like this wooden clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
The sound is relaxing. In my phone, everything is silent or buzzing.
Here, things have a heartbeat.
Hey, do you hear that?
Yes, a saxophone. Someone is playing jazz.
Where is it coming from?
Over there. under the tree.
Oh, a street musician. He is really good.
Let's stop and listen.
Stop? But my phone.
Leo, just 2 minutes. Close your eyes.
Okay, fine.
Wow.
What do you hear?
The music. It's smooth. Smooth and warm. And the wind. I hear the wind in the trees.
See? You miss this when you wear headphones.
True, I always wear my AirPods. I walk fast. I look down.
Today, you are walking slow and listening to the city. The rhythm is nice.
Rhythm. You mean the beat of the music?
Yes, the beat. Tap your foot. Tap, tap, tap.
I like this rhythm. I feel lighter, not so heavy in my head. Okay. New battery. It is alive again.
Let me guess. You want to check Instagram immediately.
Actually, no.
No. Are you sick, Leo?
Very funny. No, I am not sick. I don't feel the rush.
The rush? You mean the need to do things very fast?
Yes, the rush. I don't feel it right now. Look at the streetlights.
They are turning on, yellow and bright.
The city looks beautiful at night. The cars, the lights, the people.
It's a busy city, but it's beautiful.
I usually check my phone while I wait for the bus to go home.
And tonight?
Tonight, I will just look out the window.
That's a big change, Leo. From panic to peace.
Panic to peace. I like that. Thank you, Mia.
For what? Finding the shop?
For getting me lost. For the paper map. The old camera. The jazz music.
You are welcome. Sometimes disconnecting is the best connection.
Disconnecting. Turning off the phone. Yes, it was a good day.
Well, you can turn it on now. Your mom called you 3 times.
Oh no, my mom. I need to call her back. Bye, Mia.
See you, Leo. Welcome back to the real world.